stay on high ground, but yeah, it's good down here. It's not.
No.
It's all pretty much dry once you get here. So I don't know what's our best option.
So we're gonna back up in here, run some pulley blocks to these trees so we can pull them straight. Here we go. Got the cable tightened up. On to this tree, we gotta watch this tree. Then we're going down to there. Plowing. Take two. We got another pulley block added to the mix. So let's see what we can do here. A maze of wires. Down in there for cables. We're doing good. Take three. We got another cable on there. Let's get them a little bit. I think we're out now. So this is where we were. It's soft in the woods yet. Got them out and we're on high ground. Off to the next one.